Alright, so tried to shove it in once already, and these are quite a bit longer, this distance here over the 4R, so I went ahead and knocked almost an inch, like a big 3/4, to kind of shorten it back. Because the problem was it was intersecting here and here, so I whacked it with the big camping sledgehammer and then turn around and cut these back a little bit. So we'll give it another go. Alright, so transmission's kind of sort of in the car. All I can say is this thing is big. So it looks like, let's see here. It's hard to show. Oh, there we go. There's a metal tab up there, metal tab over here, some up front that I'm going to have to chop off to see if I can get a little bit more height. Looks like the drive shaft, though, is going to be pretty centered in the hump. Looks like it could go up just a tad bit higher, because I really need the ground clearance. Yeah, it's going to be close. Alright, so I'm going to knock these off. This off is rubbing there, rubbing there. Might as well, we're going to knock that off, knock that one off. See, I already shortened those. So yeah, figure out what I'm going to do. Well, it's Ed. This thing is big. I don't know if it's going to work. Motor looks like it's sitting level to the world though. I think I got the motor mounts on their correct side. Clearance in the back seems to be looking good. Maybe I didn't need to pound the firewall out as much after I took some material out of the bell housing. Okay, so engine, transmission's in. Still have to make a transmission mount, which I think I kind of got an idea of how I'm going to do that. This is the old transmission mount and some 1x2 1/8" wall tubing that I had, or rectangle tubing I had laying around. We have an industrial metal supply here in town, so I think I'm going to pick up some. I think what I'll do is I'll pick up a 3-foot stick of this, 3-foot stick of this 1 1/4" inch DOM tubing. Why is this not focusing for crap? There we go. And then this is just 5 inches long, 3 inches tall, 1/4" inch plate. I'll duplicate this and get it to span. Oh, where the block of wood is at here? Oh, on the wrong side of the sun. And get it to span from here. Oh, where's the holes? From here across and over. And I need to pick up some angle iron to make the tranny mount. So I think the idea is tranny mounts can come up over this angle iron, and then the mount will be underneath that, and then my cross member will come across under it and capture it, and back across the other side. And then for grins and giggles, if I get that done next couple weeks, I'll drop the car on the ground and see how much ground clearance I don't have. And then there's this kid there. Ooh. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Monkey butt. Yeah, just like his dad. Alright.